In class, we've also talked about how to order fractions. Today, we're going to be using a number line and pictures as well. Our first problem that we're going to write with and compare is 5/10, 8/9, and 1/4. First off, students know that they need to draw a number line. They put their benchmarks on of 0, a half, and a whole. And then we're going to work with the denominator. So we're going to look at the even numbers first. So we have 10. I mentioned to students, let's figure out what half of that 10 is, and that's 5. So this would be on the half line, because 5 is half of 10. And we're going to order these least to greatest. Next up, we have an even number over here of 4. Half of 4 is 2, and this is only 1 shaded in, so this is going to be on the less than side of a half. We also know 3 more pieces here, 5 more pieces here to fill out. And next we can look at 8/9. Students already know that you're only 1 piece away from a whole, but to figure out half of an odd number, we take that odd number, times it by 5, get 45, and put it in the middle, so that's 4.5. 4.5 would go on this half line, but this is 8. This is really much larger than that, so it's going to go over here, 8/9. To double check and make sure that these are in order from smallest, middle, and largest, we can also draw a fraction strip and split them up into the 3 fractions. We have a 1/4, 5/10, and 8/9 will be my last one here. We'll split this up, so 1, 2, 3, and we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1/4 here, 5/10 here, color in 5, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So smallest, you can see the shaded area gets bigger as we go on. Okay, our next one that we're going to practice with is we are going to be doing a number line again just to make sure that we're good with this, and we're going to do my number line with my benchmarks of 0, a half, and a whole. And we are going to work with the fractions of 4/8, 1/6, and also 3/5. We'll start first with 8 and 4/8 here. 8, half of 8 is 4, so this automatically is going to go on our half line here. 6 is an even number, so half of 6 is 3, and I only have a 1 up top, so 3 would go here. 1 is less than a half. It's only 1 piece shaded in. Lastly, we have fifths over here. 5 is an odd number, so we do 5 times 5 equals 25. Half line, and that half would be 2.5, and we're at 3/5, so that's slightly bigger than a half, so it's going to come over here. To double check, we can draw our fractions over here, and we would do 6 pieces in this first one for 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one we would do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last we would do fifths. And 3/5 is just slightly larger. So using pictures and number line benchmarks are best for ordering fractions. Once again, this is ordering fractions.